What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix if Play Store is not working on your Redmi 13. So to fix this issue, first of all tap and hold on the Play Store app and then tap on this information icon and then go to its storage. Now clear the cache memory of Play Store app. So to do this, tap on clear data and then tap on clear cache. Now from the pop-up, tap on OK to confirm, and after clearing the cache memory, also clear the app data. So to do this, tap on clear all data and then tap on OK to confirm, and after that the Play Store will start working properly. But if you're still facing the issue, then check your internet connection if it's working or not. So to check this, open a browser, then load a website. If the website is loading perfectly, it means your internet connection is good. But if the website is not loading, then fix your internet connection, and after fixing the internet connection, the Play Store issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the Play Store not working issue on your Redmi 13. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.